Today I will be showing you our Lalabye Baby 2-in-1 diapering system, which means it can be used in 2 different ways depending on your preference. Every diaper shell is waterproof TPU, and the inside is a polyester, stay-dry micro suede. The diaper is available in an array of color combinations, which you can view on our website, lalabyebaby.com. This is a one-size diaper, which means it will fit your baby from birth to potty training, approximately 8 to 35 pounds. This diaper has a double row snap closure with an additional hip snap and crossover snaps. Double row of snaps allow independent hip and waist adjustment to give you a perfect fit. Hip snaps give you a snug fit around the leg and prevent wing droop. Crossover snaps allow you to use the diaper right from birth and gives your newborn a secure fit. It also allows you to store your soiled diapers neatly while on the go. Each diaper has rainbow-colored waist snaps to facilitate the diaper changer in an easy and fast change by not having to count snaps. You just have to remember which color your child is at. The diaper has a 2x4 rise adjustment, which allows you to set the diaper from newborn, small, medium, and large sizes. In addition to our diapers being so versatile, it is also very functional. There are 2 pocket openings, one at the front of the diaper and one at the back. The reason why I designed the 2 pocket opening is because it allows you to use the diaper in 2 different ways. Another nice feature about the 2 pocket opening design is that in most cases, when washed, the insert will agitate out on its own. Tip: unsnap your inserts out of the shell before throwing them in your pail. The belly band at the front of the diaper is made of the same waterproof fabric as the outside to avoid leaking around the waist. The leg and waist elastics are soft and super stretchy. It's a trim-fitting diaper, as I designed it to be more narrow in the middle, which makes it very comfortable for baby. Each diaper comes with 2 inserts. Shown here is our standard size insert, made of 4 layers of rayon from bamboo. This insert can be used for all diaper settings from newborn to large. In a newborn setting, you simply fold the insert and use as you like in the diaper. Our newborn insert or booster is smaller in size and also made of 4 layers of rayon from bamboo. This insert is meant to be used in a newborn diaper or on a smaller setting, or doubled up as a booster for older babies or heavy wetters. Both inserts have snaps at the end that allow you to use the diaper in 2 different ways. It also helps keep the insert in place for mobile babies and toddlers. One way of using Lalabye baby cloth diapers is as a traditional pocket diaper. Simply stuff the insert into the pocket, and at your discretion you can decide if you want to snap it in or not. For an all-in-two, simply snap the insert on top, at the front, and at the back of the diaper. If you snap the insert on top of the shell and the shell is not soiled, you can reuse the shell with a fresh insert. Just remove the soiled insert and replace it with a clean one. You can purchase additional inserts on our website if you would like to use our diapers as an all-in-two system. Here at Lalabye Baby, we make cloth diapering simply convenient. We know that Lalabye Baby will quickly become your favorite cloth diaper. Connect with us online on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and get more cloth diapering advice at lalabyebaby.blog. And visit us on our website at lalabyebaby.com.